Welcome to IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we learn how to insert many template in Excel sheet. So sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. At first you are see we open a Excel file. We want to insert many template. At first we introduce Excel sheet, file, home, insert, layout, formula, data, review, view. In this option, it is tab. By default it open home tab. We want to insert many template. We go to file tab and click this and find in this space. We go to new and find time card template. When we click this, we are see now Excel sheet are open. Different we see this and we see this time card and another template are open. It is billing statement. When we create billing document, in this template we use, and another template are find in Excel sheet, expression report. It is official document formatted, and another template are open. We sales reported. When we insert this template are open, and many options are see, and we want to introduce blank workbook, and we want to another sheet. We just click plus and another sheet are insert. In this way we insert many template in Excel sheet. If this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel. Keep watching next tutorial. Thank you very much.